AI-generated avatar helps Synthesia enter billion-dollar club. El Salvador's Bitcoin miner Volcano Energy launches with $250 million investment. Tyco raises $22 million across 2 rounds for its Type 1 ZK EVM. Bitcoin life insurance startup raises $19 million in seed rounds led by Sam Altman, Gradient Ventures. Hyperplay raises $12 million to accelerate Web3 game launcher. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Ruchi Sharma. In today's bright new episode on fundraising, mergers and acquisition, etc. in the Web3 space, we dwell upon interesting aspects that helped companies operating in this segment close deals successfully as well as create a mark for others to follow the path. Let's begin today's show with the deal that will show us to how a company's innovative product offering helped it better fundraising expectations and saw its valuation soar higher. We are talking about a company which operates in artificial intelligence or AI space, the most sought-after technology these days. No wonder several companies offering AI-based services are raking in big moolah. Topping today's list is Synthesia raising $90 million from marquee investors, which helped the company's valuation scale past the $1 billion mark. The synthetic media generation platform used to create AI-generated video content has attracted big names including Excel, Slack and Spotify, but has seen its valuation rise through the roof after Nvidia came in as strategic investor. Other investors include Kleiner Perkins, GV, Firstmark Capital and MMC also chipped in. The 2017 founded Synthesia is a brainchild of researchers and entrepreneurs Victor Ripperbelli, Matthias Neisner, Stephen Gerald and Lourdes Agapito. It develops software that allows people to construct their own digital avatars to deliver corporate presentations, training videos, or even compliments to colleagues in more than 120 different languages. Its ultimate aim is to eliminate cameras, microphones, actors, lengthy edits, and other costs from the professional video production process. The Synthesia platform has a skin in the game. Its use leads to an increase in productivity due to cost reduction. Given the business features of generative AI, it is obvious to compare Synthesia with OpenAI's ChatGPT. But Synthesia has maintained that it has been working on its own proprietary generative AI for years, and that although ChatGPT may have only recently emerged into public consciousness, generative AI itself isn't a new technology. Synthesia plans to ramp up investment into its technology with a particular focus on advancing its AI research and making Synthesia avatars capable of performing more tasks. According to Business Insider previous report, Synthesia was in talks with investors to raise between $50 million and $75 million in new funds at a valuation of around $1 billion. Recently, a report from venture capital firm Atomico showed funding for Europe's technology startups was on track to fall a further 39% in 2023 to $51 billion from $83 billion in 2022. Next on the list, we move to El Salvador, the crypto-friendly country. Volcano Energy, the public-private partnership company, has pledged to pump $1 billion into creating a Bitcoin mining farm. Recently, the El Salvador-based company received $250 million, which will help kickstart a 241-megawatt power generation park in the country's Metapan region. Max Keiser, the chairman of Volcano Energy, divulging the information on June 7th through social media platform Twitter. The Salvadoran government gets 23% share of profits and 27% will be shared with the investors. The remaining 50% will be reinvested into boosting Bitcoin mining technology and energy production capacity. Tyco Labs, a crypto startup focused on scaling the Ethereum blockchain, raised $22 million across 2 rounds. The first was a $10 million seed raised from Sequoia China in the third quarter of 2022. The second was a recent $12 million pre-Series A round led by Generative Ventures, co-founder Daniel Wong said in an interview. The Bermuda-registered Bitcoin life insurance startup announced successful closure of $19 million in 2 seed rounds. This company has generated funds from 32 investors, and most recently, Dan Romero and Sam Altman have come on board as a strategic investor. Final deal of the day on our list is Hyperplay. The platform for accessing Web3 native games has raised a $12 million Series A funding round. The gaming company aims to utilize funds to further develop its launcher as well as to fuel international expansion. Well, that's all in today's special episode of Deal Corner. We will meet again with more exciting deals from the Web3 space. Till then, keep watching 3.0 TV. For more such updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.